Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make calls with the help of this Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, make sure that your watch is connected to the phone via Bluetooth. Now, open the Mi Fitness app on your smartphone and go to the device. Here scroll down. Select incoming calls right here and turn on to show contact info. Now go back and scroll down again till you find favorite contacts. Go in here and you will be able to add some contacts by pressing this button. Now, let's take a look at our watch. Find this phone button, click here, and you will be able to type in manually number and make phone calls. Or you can call the recent ones, so I'm gonna show you now. As you can see in my phone, it appears as well. So, now as you can see, you can mute your conversation by clicking this button. You can click on these three dots, then on volume. And by moving this digital crown, you can increase or decrease the volume. Or just simply click these buttons. And end the conversation. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.